Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, WYGO stands for when you get old. Alright, I am in a shopping mode lately and I can't stop hitting up some sales and doing some mini hauls. So today I have primarily an Ulta haul, but I do have two other products. One I picked up off of Amazon and one I got at the Dollar Tree. Let's first start with the little one-offs since they aren't in a box or package. So I was headed to the Dollar Tree to pick up some cards, some tissue paper, a little bag for Valentine's Day. And anytime I'm in a Dollar Tree, I always do a little lap and kind of hit up the makeup and beauty section just in case, particularly because I was at a different one that was close to where I work and not where I live, because the one where I live is so small and never has anything. This place was huge, like twice the size of my local Dollar Tree. However, it was quite picked over. But I did remember my beautiful friend Clara Barrera mentioned in a recent Dollar Tree haul that she did that she goes into the baby care aisle and picks up a package of, what are these called? Baby wipes? Yes, just baby wipes. And she uses these baby wipes to remove makeup swatches. And I thought, you know what? I've never tried that before. It never even occurred to me. Also, what I'm hoping is that they work out really well because you get 72 wipes. Yeah, the other packets that come from Dollar Tree that are actually in the makeup section. Let's see. Oh, I have one over here that's almost emptied. This I got at the Dollar Tree. It's coconut and water. It smells nice. I use these to remove swatches. You get 25 wipes, which is standard, like if you were to buy a normal name brand. But for $1.25, that's really good. However, 25 compared to 72, that's amazing. Now, I've never tried these before, so I'm very curious. Let's open up the packet and see what they look like and smell like. Okay, first off, two came out at one time. I could try to shove it in, but you know, lazy girl. And I do have one of the regular wipes already out because I was using it. Apologies if you see anything on there. So let's just do a size comparison. The baby wipes are, I would say, like half an inch more narrow, and they're the same height. So very similar in size, but again, 72 versus 25, that's almost 3 times the amount. If I can do math, I can't. Is that 2 times? Anyways, yeah, 25 times 3 is 75. You get 72, about 3 times the amount. All right, so do they have a scent? No, no scent. These have a subtle scent of coconut, which I really enjoy. All right, the next item that isn't from Ulta, there will be a separate video on my review and try on of the product, and it's actually on my face right now, so spoiler alert. I picked up this concealer from Winky Lux. This is the Peeper Perfect Under Eye Concealer. This product should have been in my Ulta haul, but Ulta was sold out of the shade I wanted, and I really needed this in my life. So I just went to Amazon, and they carry it for actually the same price. So if you only shop on Ulta, they do carry this. So watch out for that video. I discovered this product from a $3.50 add-on I got last August in Ipsy. Let's just say it's a good one. All right, now let's dive into what I got at Ulta, which is a couple weeks ago. I don't remember everything, but I do remember why I made the purchase. So I'm getting really low on a holy grail product of mine. And so I was like, you know, maybe I should just stock up. And guess what? That brand was on sale. It was like 40% off. I'm like, score. And whenever there's something 40% off, or whenever I'm going for like one product, I hate paying shipping and handling. So I always, you know, hey, what's on sale? So I can reach the bare minimum to get free shipping. That's what I did here. All right, the first item, wow, this is much bigger than I thought it was going to be. This here is from Not Your Mother's, and it's a sleek and fresh Smooth Moves dry shampoo. So I love using dry shampoo. I still have a couple, but again, when you're trying to hit free shipping, this was, I want to say, on sale or discounted. It was like $4.99, and it was the perfect amount to get me to hit free shipping. And I know I'm going to use this product. So that's often what I'll do is I'll pick up a mascara or something that is a staple in my life and I know I will use just so I can hit free shipping. All right, so for anyone in suspense, curious about the product that is by Holy Grail and the brand that happened to be on sale, it is from NYX. So my Holy Grail, which you've seen numerous times, is this product here. This is the Wonder Stick. Let me grab the one I'm currently going through. Apologies, it looks quite disgusting. So the little cap kind of broke off. It's just cheap plastic, and that is scrolled all the way up. So there's a little plastic bit. It's almost used up. I'm wearing it today. I love this. It's the perfect tone. It's not orange. It's not too gray. It functions perfect as a contour slash bronzer. It's super quick and easy, blends out beautifully. Lazy girl approved. I literally just go swoop, swoop, grab a dry sponge or a damp sponge, and just tap, tap, tap. Perfection. Honestly, I never use this other end, which is a highlighter. I find it's a little too dark and too golden. I wish this came in either just full on contour stick, or if the other side was blush. Oh, how good that would be for the lazy girl in me, because it'd be like swipe, swipe, tap, tap, tap. Oh, if I ever come up with a makeup line, I'm going to do that because I've never seen that done before. All right, so that's what I picked up here. It retails for, I want to say like $14. God forbid Ulta put anything on the little receipt here. Something will float on screen. And again, it was on sale. It was either everything was 40% off, or it was one of those things where buy one and the second one was maybe 40% off. I can't remember. But because there was a sale going on, I was shopping other products from NYX. And I had to pick this up. So this has gone viral and many people love it, and I've never tried it. This is the fat oil, and I got it in the shade Mist Call, which honestly is looking very, very dark red. And I want to say it was like the lightest shade, but hopefully it's really sheer. Ooh, it has one of those little chubby fat boy applicators. Does it have a good scent? Yes, it's fruity. Maybe strawberry, don't quote me. Let's see here. Okay. Oh, yes, it's very, you can barely even see it. It's right there. That is going to be perfection. I will do a separate try-on just because I'm already wearing products and you wouldn't be able to see this on my lips. So I was excited to give that product a try. Again, I wasn't quite at the amount needed for free shipping, so I kept shopping. And I grabbed this product here, also from NYX. This is the Fat Oil, which is a Slick Click Lip Balm. Sounded fantastic. Super lazy girl approved, you know, with a clicker. Okay, so it's a clicker, and it kind of is that slanted type. Clicking, it doesn't seem to be doing anything. Oh yeah, it's just going up slowly. Does it have a scent? Kind of ish, but not super strong. Let's do a swatch. Okay, it is sheer, but it is slightly more pink than this one, or different shade. This is more, just different shades of pink. Can you even see those? Probably not. So yeah, I go through lip products like really, really quickly, and I love trying new ones. All right, the last item is kind of typical what I'll throw in my cart to hit free shipping. It's because I'm on the hunt for a really good gel eyeliner that will stay on my top waterline and not transfer down. So, of course, I had to throw one of these in my cart. Plus, these typically aren't quite as pricey as other products. So, this one, what do they call it? It's the NYX Epic Wear Eyeliner Stick. And of course, I got it in black. This particular shade is called Pitch Black. It comes with kind of plastic wrap all around it. I'm not going to open it up quite yet, but let me know if you would love to see a try on using these products. When I film my February subscription box try on video, because I usually don't get enough makeup to do a full face, I think I'll throw these in and just call it a what I picked up in February, what's new to me in February try on video, and then give these products a try. All right, I think that was everything. Yes, so a very lightweight Ulta haul, and then a couple randos from Dollar Tree and Amazon. Let me know if you think I shop too much, or if you're like, girl, you don't shop half as much as I do. Sometimes I'm just in the mood to buy things even though I really don't need it. Or, as I mentioned, if I want to pick up one particular thing that I do need, or I think I need, I want, but I need, and then I don't want to pay for shipping, so then you gotta get more, right? Are you with me? No one wants to pay for shipping. All right. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right. Thanks, everyone.